can! Yes, we can!
The hours go shorter as the days go by. We never get to stop and open our eyes. 1 minute you're waiting for the sky to fall, and next you're dazzled by the beauty of it all. Dangerous time. Lovers in a dangerous time. These fragile bodies of touch and taste.
Come on, dolphins.
This fragrant skin, this hair like lace. Spirits open to a thrust of grace. Never a breath you can afford to waste. Lover.
Yeah, right.
Cup of coffee? I make a coffee out of it all the time. Get the view out of that window and then the view out of that window.
Yeah, I get one.
When you see water, and then you
The
can
other
see
one.
daylight.
The other one is sky. You can see Luke. Catholic.
It's in a dangerous time.
It's a dolphin that jumps and spins in the air. Feels like fish. There it goes. Oh wait, dude, that's not a dolphin. That's not a dolphin. That's a fish. That's I don't know what we're seeing here. Come down, Luke. Is it pork? Dude, they're jumping and spinning. Awesome. Come on. spin again. Yes. Well, that was kind of cool. Yeah, I thought it was dolphins, but it was fish. It was like swordfish or something. Jumping, yeah. Yeah, but they were too small to be dolphins. Yeah, it did look like a shark. They have spinner sharks too. Serious.
Is this anything that spins?
Basically, it's just Sharknado right there. That's what just happened.
Sharknado.
What? Yeah, right? Looks good.
Pretty awesome. Jump, jump.
Oh, they're spitting off. Come on, baby, you can do it.
Jellyfish. It's like,
Oh my god, they're so quick. How fast are we going right now?
they can go a lot faster than that, I promise you.
Oh, hi, Shani.
Hi, Johnny. Things are probably swimming like 30 knots.
He's gonna peel off. He's gonna do a jump. So cool.
Far, we've been traveling far without a home, but not without a star. Free, only want to be free. We're huddled close, hang on to a dream. On the boats and on the planes, they're coming to America, never looking back again. They're coming to America, home. Don't it seem so far away? We're traveling light today, in the eye of the storm. In the eye of the storm, home to a new and a shiny place. Make our bed and we'll say our grace. Freedom's light burning warm. Freedom's light burning warm. Everywhere around the world, they're coming to America. Every time that flag's unfurled,